Good afternoon there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 Ford Transit Custom. This one here is a long wheelbase model in a lovely white. We'll just take you around the vehicle now. This one has 24,000 miles on the clock, and I'll just bring you around into the passenger seat first of all, just to draw your attention to the cab. So inside we do of course have 3 seats, pull this down in the middle just here, 2 cup holders, the small little table here. And of course, for the convenience of the driver who needs to, of course, be in the most comfort, we do, of course, have an armrest for you as well. These are also heated seats, which can be controlled just here, along with all the air conditioning inside the car. In the van, sorry. Opening up the back just here, you can see this is a ply-lined interior with interior lighting as well. Now, good thing about this van is it doesn't have any dents, scratches or bumps in the bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this did only use it to carry light load. And dotted throughout the back of the van here, we do of course have some cargo rings as well to tie down any load you may be carrying. Another good feature about this van in particular is you can do this with the hinge, and that allows it to open up even further, meaning you don't have to worry about the doors when trying to fit absolutely anything in the back of this as well. Let me just shut this up as well. You may notice on the back as well, we've got a camera just here. This isn't a reverse and backup camera, but it is in fact a digital rear view mirror, which I can show you if we hop round into the driver's seat. Let me just shut the door to stop you beeping. So just as I mentioned, up here we do of course have a digital mirror, which if I go through the settings, we can either make darker or brighter, but especially good if you're driving at night so it's not distracting. And we can also tilt it up and tilt it down as well. Or you can quite simply just turn it off and I'm back on again. In here as well, we do also have cruise control, voice assist as well, and air conditioning and heated seats like I mentioned earlier. This does also come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Pop the vehicle into reverse, and we do of course have a diagram here just to make sure you don't crash into anything while parking. And if we just go through the computer here, we have a speedometer, start-stop, seat belt, trip odometer, average fuel, average speed, distance to empty, instant fuel gauge, and there we go. Thank you very much.